Here's a quick overview of all of the payment-related changes that we've made on Mighty recently that make it easier for your members to purchase plans. So we released first promo codes. So if you go to admin promo codes and then select this plus icon here, you can create a promo code and use whatever name you would like. So I'm going to call this Summer 25. I'm going to give 25% off of a particular plan. This is an internal note, so this can only be seen by hosts. And then you select the duration. So it can be once, which means it only happens on one payment charge forever. So any payment charge moving forward, or repeating. If you choose repeating, you can decide how many months that it will hit. So you could say 2 months, for example. So I'm going to choose once, and then from here I can choose the percentage or a fixed amount. So I could say 25% off or $25 off. So I'm going to go ahead and choose 25%. And then this toggle here means that it can apply to any of my plans that I have available to purchase, or I can select a particular plan. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this plan here, and I'm going to click save. So I'm going to show you next what it looks like from a member's point of view to purchase this plan with the promo code. Okay, so here I see the plan on the landing page, but I could see it wherever it is visible. And then I'm going to go ahead and create an account. So I filled in my details and I create an account. And I'm just going to go ahead and skip this part right here. And then here is where I get to apply the promo code. And then I'll click apply and I'll see that I got 25% off. And then I will go over here and enter in my card information. Once I enter in my card information, I'm going to click confirm purchase. And then I will get access to the course.